Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to activate power saving in Waze. If you want to reduce battery usage while using Waze for navigation, you can enable this feature directly in the app. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Tap the menu icon, then select Settings. Next, tap General and look for the power saving option. Turn on the power saving feature to help reduce battery consumption while using Waze. Depending on your device and version of the app, the power saving option may appear in a different location or may not be available. You can also reduce battery usage by lowering your screen brightness and closing apps running in the background. Once power saving is enabled, Waze will help manage its battery usage while you navigate. And that's how to activate power saving in Waze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other helpful tutorials.